Hello everybody and welcome back to another C++ program exercise video. And in today's video we're going to be going over program exercise number 1 of chapter 9. This is the first program exercise of this chapter. Now C++ program exercise number 9 says, assume the definition of exercise 2, which defines the struct computer type. Write a program that declares the variable of type computer type and prompts the user to input data about a computer and output the consumer's data. Or the computer's data. So, the first thing you want to do is create this struct, which is computer type. This was already done in programming exercise, just normal exercise number 2 of the book. So, you need to make this. And now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down here and create a variable of type computer type. Computer type, computer. Okay, so now after you declare this variable, we now have to take in the input that is necessary for our program. So the first thing that we want to do after this is write in cout fixed show point set precision to 2. So now what you want to do here is you want to write in cout enter the name of the manufacturer and then you can write in getLine CIN, comma, computer dot manufacturer cout. And now what you can do after this is you can just copy and paste this block of code another time, because we're going to have to go over the model of the computer, because of the model right there. Now instead you just replace this with model type, and then we could come to the bottom right here, and we also need to actually enter the model of the computer. Enter the model of the computer. And then right here, we replace this variable with processor type. And that's it for that line. But we also have to write in here, enter the processor type. And now right there we have the end, because now we have covered the first 3 strings, and we also have the manufacturer, model type, and processor type. And since those are 3 strings, we need those in order to, we have to get the entire line that is entered, because they can have more than 2 words. And now the next 4, we need to just use the normal cout, CIN, cout, and L type, where this getLine is just replaced with the CIN, and we take in the variable. Because they're going to be numbers, and we're only going to have to take in one piece of information. So let's go. So after you write in that, and then you can come to the bottom right. So we come down here, we write in cout, enter the size of, just make sure that's a string, enter the size of RAM in GB, CIN, computer dot RAM, cout, and down. Now we can copy this and use it for the next 4. Just make sure that it's spaced out correctly. Okay. So now we can look at this email, and now the next thing we need to do is the hard drive size. So right down here, we need to write in hard drive size, enter the size of the hard drive in gigabytes, which is what we want. And now after that, we can write in, enter the, what else is it, year built, enter the year built, enter the size, enter, what else is it, enter the price. Okay, that is the last one which we need. Now that we have all of our values, as you can see, we have taken in as input 7 different values. We can now come down here and print out all of those values. So first we want to write in cout manufacturer computer dot manufacturer cout model computer dot model type and down cout processor computer dot processor type cout RAM computer dot RAM and then you cout hard drive size computer dot hard drive size and you cout year built. computer dot year built and Dell, and then you see out price computer dot price and Dell. Okay, now let's run the program. The program has run successfully. Enter the name of the manufacturer. Let's see. So let's say that a solid pre-built PC manufacturer would be like HP. So we'll just write in HP and enter the model of the computer. Let's just smash the keyboard. Okay. Enter the processor type. Core i5. Enter the size of RAM, 8 gigabytes. Or actually we just write in 8. Enter the size of the hard drive, 256. Enter the year built, 2019. Or just write it in 2020 actually. Enter the price, $599.99. And there we go. That's our PC. It prints out all of the data necessary that is needed as well. So there we go. Oh well, now that you can see that our program is working just fine, I guess that's the end of this programming video. I hope you continue to make C++ program exercises like this that are, make sure you challenge yourself when doing these programming exercises, because you can find a hobby in coding for fun. I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.